Hello students, I want to solve this Cambridge question on enlargement. Now the diagram shows a triangle drawn on the grid. Okay, we are to enlarge it. We are told that we should enlarge it to a scale factor of 3, and this is a center, right? So I will come to this place and get the coordinates. Now, do you know that the coordinate here, let me label here A. Now the coordinate of A is going to be 5, 6. All right. Then the coordinate, let here be B. The coordinate of B is 7, 3. Then we have C, and the coordinate of C is 4, 4. Now, this is important because I want to use two methods to actually help you solve this question. And the first method is simple. You don't really need to get the coordinates, but all the same, let's continue. Now, if you check this very well, now you see that from here to here is just a box, all right? Just the length of a box. And we want to enlarge it to a scale factor of 3. Now, all you need to do is to come down to say that means it is 1 because it is just a line. That is the length of a box is 1 times the scale factor, which is 3. And what you are going to have is 3. So it means that from the center, remember this is the center, you are going to count 3. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this is your C prime. So this place will be my C prime. The same thing I will now do to A to get A prime. If you check, it is 1, 2 that I have here. So I will come down to say it is 2 times the scale factor, which is 3. So I'm going to get 6. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to count from the center. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. Then I have the 6th one. And in this place, I am going to have my A prime. Now the next is this. Now the B is a bit challenging, but it's actually simple. So what you need to do at that B2 or in that B is to check. You know, we have 2 boxes. If you look at it, okay, 1, 2. You have 2 boxes this way. So it's going to be 2 times 3, which is still going to be 6. So what I'm going to do now, look at what I'm going to do systematically. I will just pick this one as 1. Then I'll pick this one as 2. And I'll pick this one as 3. So at this place, I'm going to have my B prime. This is my B prime, okay? Now I have the 3 vertices. So I will now join them. You see this? I have this, then I will now join this, and I will join this. Very simple. I've expanded it. Let me make it look fine. Let me reduce some of the things there. Okay, check it out. So I've enlarged this. So this is the first method. I want to believe you understood. So let me go back to get you the second method. Okay, guys, let me show you the second method. You see, the second method is very important in situations where you are given the coordinate only. All right, so let me show you what it is. Now, let me pick A. A is 5, 6. And let's not forget that our center is 5, 4. So the next thing you have to do is to have your A, which is 5, 6. We'll subtract it from the center, which is 5, 4. Once we subtract this, we are going to have 0, 2. The next thing to do is to come down to multiply by the scale factor, which is 3. So if I multiply this by 3, what I'm going to have will be 0 and 6. Okay, so this is what I have, 0.6. Now, the next thing to do is to come down to say this 0.6 will be added to A, coordinate of A, which is 5.6. So you have 5, comma 4. Sorry, you are not adding it to the coordinate of A, you are adding it to the center. So take note of that. So once you add it, you are going to have 5, 10. So it means that my A prime is having a coordinate of 5, 10. So I'll come down. This is where we have 5, 10. So I'm good to go. Then let me show you one more thing. Then the other one you can do it yourself, okay? Let me show you B. So what you are going to do for B is having a coordinate of 7, 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the center from it. So that I'm going to have 7, 3, then minus the center, which is 5, 4. So once I subtract it, I'm going to have 2, minus 1. So having 2, minus 1, I'll multiply it, which is 2, minus 1. I'll multiply by the scale factor 3. So that I'm going to have 6, minus 3. Now this 6, minus 3, I'm going to add it to the center, which is 5, 4. Adding it here is going to be 11, then comma. What I'm going to have here is 1. So this is going to be 11, 1. All right. So, and that is my B prime anyway. So my B prime, this is 11, 1. Okay. And here, my A prime, let me not forget, A prime, I have 5, 10. Okay, I have 5, 10. Okay, you can do for C prime on your own. And if you do for C prime on your own, you end up having it to be here, which is C prime now, will be 2, 4. Now, once you have this point, then you now draw them and connect them to form what you want, okay? So having it, I'm going to connect this. Okay. Then I will connect this and I will connect this. So we've enlarged it. 2 different methods, same conclusion. So thank you so much for watching and do not forget to subscribe.